you know when you order something and, you know, life goes on and you forget that you've ordered it, and then when when it gets delivered to your house, you kind of stood there holding it at your door going, the hell is this? Well, that's exactly what I did with this. If it didn't say iFixit on it, I wouldn't have known that this is my iFixit kit. This has just been delivered to me. One label has DHL on it, the other one's got Parcel Force. Who knows? Who knows where it's come from? All I know is that it's my iFixit kit. And with everything that's been going on recently, I completely forgot that I'd even ordered it. But you know, no. This reminds me of the time I ordered something, was it Media Devil? One of my videos, I showed you guys a matte screen protector for my iPhone 5S. I think that was from Media Devil. And, you know, let's just put the iFixit kit aside for 1 second. Let me just look at the invoice, see if it says anything. Okay, no, it just tells me about the Protect Toolkit, which is what I've got, which set me back £70 or $69.99. When I opened up the screen protector for my iPhone 5S all that time ago, Media Devil had included 3 Malwang sweets. Well, I think this is from iFixit, but they've given me Haribo Gold Bears. How awesome is that? Go out and buy yourself an iFixit toolkit. You get Haribo Gold Bears. Maybe this is because I bought the most expensive one. And they're like, you know what? Can you give me some Haribos? Maybe that's what it was. Maybe. Do I eat these now? Do I eat them now? I'm gonna eat them now. This is for all those iFixit wannabes out there. The people that do everything themselves. You know, they try not to send things off or get people in to fix things. These Haribo Gold Bears that you can see here are for you guys. It's for you guys. Ready? Nah, I'm kidding. Alright, so I'll keep that. That's really cool. Haribo's aside, we got the iFixit toolkit. I need to swallow and hold them. Shit. I wonder if Lou's got any. Carnegie Monster Gaming did this unboxing, and I don't know if you got any sweets. I did watch his video, but I don't know. So I ordered this right off the iFixit website. It is the Protect Toolkit. It is the same one as Carnegie Monster Gaming's. So if you wanted a more in-depth unboxing, but you can understand because I'm eating Haribos, go check his out. I'll leave his video link in the description. So, nice iFixit logo on the front there, that's it. It's funny, I was recently watching our Linus tech videos, tech tip videos. Shout out to Linus and Luke, you guys are awesome. Awesome. And they were doing a video sponsored by iFixit. So, it opens up. And you first face with this bit, I'll show you that in a second. Next thing opens up, this bit. So we've got all of this to play with. All of this. Deep down I knew that was going to happen. Only a magnet holding this in, guys. Same goes for only a magnet holding this faceplate on, but I might as well show you this now. Can't remember how many bits it's got, but it's got a lot. No, it should fall out. It's all nice. So there's a lot of bits, you know, like some I've never ever seen in my entire life. So there's a hell of a lot of bits. This thing here is awesome because what it does is allow you to take the actual screwdriver section, which is here. What's good about this is that you can be screwing, and the spinny bit on the end means you don't have to keep taking the screwdriver out, putting it back in, spin it around. You can just continuously keep spinning it and spinning it and spinning it. which is good. This section allows you to attach it to this section, okay, like so, I believe. Yeah, like that. Okay, that's not magnetic, I don't think. Yeah, it's magnetic. So basically, you got a really long thing now, and then you can take a bit, I don't know. Say you want to take a bit, you take a bit, right? You put the bit in. Once the bit is in, you can now do your screwdriver in, but round corners and such. So those pesky screws you could never get to before, well now you can. Just be aware that the bit will fall out of that. It's not magnetically held into this top bit. So just be aware of that, you guys. So that's really cool. That's definitely going to come in handy. Especially if you're, I don't know, building a PC and you have to reach around the motherboard to get to a part, you know. So that's that. And also, of course, you can just put that in. Apparently the magnet inside does wear down over time, as my friend Sam told me. With that's what's happened with his iFixit toolkit, but you know, that's over time. Okay, so we've got these two sections left, as you can see here. Underneath this, you get a bunch of tools. I know that's called a jimmy, thanks to Louis. That's called a jimmy. We used this tool so much when we were building my PC. It was ridiculous. Don't know what it's called. I'm going to call it the sharp pokey stick. Okay, that's what I've called it. We've got two spudges here. Yeah, spudges. Two of them. Now this thing here. These things look like picks, as Lewis did rightly say. They look like guitar picks. So, I mean, I suppose you could use them for that if you're losing your plectrums all the time. You know, whatever. I don't remember how to get them back in. Right, I'm gonna tell you now that these tweezers, right? Yeah, great, ESD safe, but they are lethal. Lethal because they're so they're so freaking sharp. I've got scratches on my legs from where I'm trying to do something at building my PC, and Lewis keeps coming up to me, jabbing me and scraping me with these bloody things. They are so sharp. Please be careful. That's why they come with these. I don't think that's to hold them together when they're, you know, not being used. It's to stop you getting impaled with these bad boys. Seriously, you could seriously injure somebody with that. Like, I'm not even joking. And then you got some more here that aren't as sharp, that aren't bendy either. So the cap uses a hook or a stab, but they aren't as sharp. So I've no idea what this is. Not a clue. Oh, look like more tweezers. Anywho, so that's that section. That flap just folds down nicely. And on this last section here, in this top part, a anti-static wristband. I'm not going to unravel it because it'll be a pain in the ass to get in, but it's an anti-static wristband. You put it around your wrist. You connect the crocodile clip to something metal or plastic. Is it? I can't remember. That's really bad. I should know that. But it's to stop you getting electrocuted. And we totally use that when building my PC. You also got a suction cup. Oh, nearly picked up. I'm going to pick up my phone. Oh, oh shit. Oh crap. Woo! That's for pulling things off like phone screens. So, that's really cool. You never go wrong with a bit of suction. And then we've got these things here, and it does say this tool is designed to break before your device does. So I'm guessing it's, you know, to jimmy things open and whatnot. If you get 3 of those, by the way, and that's it. That's everything. So once again, this is everything that you receive in your iFixit Toolkit Pro. Okay. And if you would like a more descriptive video on the iFixit ProTech Toolkit featured here, then you can go check out the video down in the description. That happens to be Carnegie Monster Gaming's video, where he does a great job in explaining what each and everything is. Plus, you'll be doing him a massive favour in supporting his channel as well. I've been wanting a toolkit for a long time now, and having a PC that I can take apart, upgrade and put back together again seems like the perfect time to grab one of these bad boys. Check out the iFixit website if you're wanting one of these. This one again sent me back $69.99 in English pound. Well, actually that was in euros, so yeah. Thank you very much for watching. Any comments, questions, you know what to do. I suppose if you fancied it, you could like the video, maybe even subscribe to the channel. Not only would it make me incredibly happy, but you will be supporting me in so many ways that I will never be able to thank you for. Once again, I am Ashbasher. You guys are YouTube. Thank you very much for watching. Look after yourselves. And I'll see you in the next one.